Hello, my name is Valerie, and today I'll be guiding you through a Hatha yoga sequence to balance the body and the mind. All you need is a mat, so when you're ready, I'll meet you in a seated position on your mat. Inhale the arms up above the head, reaching, exhaling through the midline of the body. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhaling, lift the arms up, make yourself tall. Exhaling through the midline of the body, starting to balance. 1 more, inhale. And exhale, centering yourself. And then inhaling the arms up above the head, hand palms touching. When you exhale, bring your right hand to your left knee, left hand behind you, looking over your left shoulder. Inhaling, sitting up tall. And when you exhale, twist a little bit deeper. Coming back to center. Inhaling, lifting the arms up. And exhaling, this time left hand to your right knee, right hand behind you, looking over the right shoulder. Lengthening the spine. And coming back to center. And then let's find our way onto hands and knees, tabletop position, making sure your wrists are right underneath the shoulders, the knees right underneath the hips. When you inhale, drop the belly, lift the chin and the chest. And exhaling, rounding the spine like an angry cat. Moving into cat-cow, following the rhythm of your breath. On an inhale, lifting the tailbone, the chest and the chin. And when you exhale, just rounding the spine. Then coming back into tabletop, bringing the knees together, and then lift your right knee out to the side and start to circle the hips. So big circles with the knee, starting to lubricate the hip joint. Then stretch the right foot behind you, bring the toes to the mat. The left lower leg will turn out 90 degrees. Then lift your right arm up towards the ceiling. In a modified plank pose, look in towards your left hand. Open the chest towards the ceiling. And then coming back into your tabletop onto hands and knees. Bring the knees together and lift your left knee up, starting to circle the hip. Lubricating the left hip joint. Try to connect the movement with your breath. And then stretching the left leg out, turning the right lower leg out to the right. Coming into your modified plank. Turn the heart open towards the ceiling. And slowly coming back onto all fours, tabletop. We're going to find our way into child's pose, so bring the knees wide, toes touching. Then drop the hips towards your heels, walk the hands forward and rest the forehead down on the mat. Allow the body to relax and be carried by the earth. Slowly walking your hands back behind you. And start to open the chest. If you want, you can drop the head into your neck, allowing the energy to flow through. And slowly walking your hands back, coming back onto hands and knees. On the next inhale, lift your right leg up behind you. Exhaling, bringing the knee towards the nose, rounding the spine. Moving with your breath, inhale, lifting. Exhaling, knee to nose. One more, inhaling. Exhale, knee to nose. And then step your right foot in between the hands. Check if your ankle is right underneath the right knee. Shift the weight forward, and on the next inhale, lift the arms up above the head. Lift your sternum up. Keep reaching towards the ceiling. Then bringing the hand palms together and bring your left elbow over your right knee, starting to twist, looking over your right shoulder. Keep shifting the weight forward as you twist deeper. And turning back, release the hands down to the mat. Then shift the weight back into your hips, stretching the right leg. And bringing the nose towards the knee. And then shifting the weight back forward, planting the hands into the mat and coming back into your tabletop position. Inhaling, lift the left leg up. Exhaling, knee to nose. And again, working with the pace of your breath. Inhaling, lifting, and exhaling, rounding the spine. And then step your left foot in between your hands. Shift the weight forward. Check if the knee is right above your left ankle. And then on the next inhale, lift the arms up above the head, reach towards the ceiling. And then bring your hand palms together and bring the right elbow over the left knee, starting to twist, looking over your left shoulder. Twisting back, releasing the hands down to the mat, coming back into your tabletop. And then stretch your legs out, toes pressing into the mat, coming into a plank, breathing in. And then on the next exhale, release the knees down, the chest and the chin, hugging the elbows in towards each other. Next inhale, drop the hips, press into the hands and lift the chest and the chin up into Cobra. If you want, you can start to straighten the arms a little bit further, coming to a full Cobra. Keep breathing. And exhale all the way down to the mat. And then just turn around onto your back. Hug the knees in towards the chest. Giving yourself a nice hug, maybe rock from side to side to release the lower back. And just release your legs, relax your arms down your side, and allow your whole body to relax. Thank you for joining me in this practice. I wish you a wonderful day. Namaste.
Thank you for watching. We've been on location at the Miskawaan Health Group Retreat on Koh Samui in Thailand, and we look forward to you joining us here again very soon.